All right, hey guys, I want to get you guys excited about something that I'm working on. I'm working on about a tool bag that you guys can carry in your trucks. So right now, what I have right next to me is a bag that I found that I've actually been using now for about 3 weeks. And I'm trying to think about what you guys could use in the truck as a go bag for repairs. So I'm trying to keep it simple. All the videos that you have seen with me with tools, I'm actually incorporating them into the bag as well. So what I want to do is I want to show you a little bit of what I have so far, but there's going to be more videos coming out. When I do the repairs, I'm going to say, hey, this tool is going in the bag. And then if you guys have anything that you might suggest for a tool and see if it works, tell me about it. And let's see if we can throw that in the bag. Because my goal is, one, that you guys have a go bag to repair your truck, because the ultimate goal is for you guys to save that money. All right, that's the biggest thing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up my bag, what I have here, and I'm gonna tell you all the unique things that I like so far. And like I said, I've been doing it for 3 weeks. I've been loving it. Road calls, anything that's on the side of the road that you guys will be dealing with, that you guys should be carrying. Now you guys may be asking, why am I using a bag instead of a typical toolbox? So my train of thought was, you know, when you're in the cab, under the bed, I'm trying to see what you guys have for utilized space. A box is great, it's plastic, it's metal, it can break, it can crumple. Where a bag can form when you throw it in there, and you can lay stuff on top of it, and you can wiggle it around to make the room that you need. So that's why I think the bag is probably the best way to go for the amount of room that you have in your truck. I found a very durable bag, and the good thing I like about it is that it has clips. So when we have clips, we can literally lay it out, and I've done it almost on every truck that I've gone on a road call, on a tire as of my platform. There's 2 tools that I keep out that I don't have because it's, you know, they're big. I got my hammer and my trusty pry bar. Now, it works great. I mean, I just put it right in the middle and we roll it up. And then I clip it again. And I know you can't tell but from this video, but this is actually a pretty dang durable bag, and I love it. And I've been throwing it around, and then I keep certain things. And you can hang it up so it looks just like this. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it is a little heavy. I do have quite a few things in here. What I normally do is on the first part of the pouch, I'm gonna show you a few things. You guys may have it. So this is one tool I have. I've gone out there several times, especially with a driver saying the lights on the pigtail not working. I'm not gonna go through everything. We're gonna just do a quick little highlights. So the top part is just like testing, you know, like for your cigarette lighter, your pressure testing of the tires, checking your tread depth on the tires, as well a gauge for checking the brakes, just to make sure you're legal. As you keep going down, you can keep adding. So I got my pliers, my crescent wrench, my wire cutters, vice grips. So I keep anything plier related in that pouch. And then you guys can organize it any way you want. It doesn't have to be sockets there. It's just, that's what I normally use the most of. So I try to keep it in order of what I use the most. So it's testing, sockets and wrenches. The next part that I use is gonna be a little bit electrical. I got my propane and then my test light right there. Screwdrivers, flathead Phillips, as well as my torque bits so we can take the dash apart. And then my last pouch that I have here is all my little things. Fuses, my electrical tape, my Teflon tape, butt connectors. So we'll put zip ties in there. But as we build this bag out, I want you guys to do it with me. So if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment at the bottom. As more come in, each job I run across, like for airbags or fixing a light or a coolant leak issue or anything like that, we're gonna mention it. I'm gonna say the tool. We're gonna say we put it in the bag, don't put it in the bag. But our goal is to put it in the bag so you guys can save money. There's gonna be more videos coming out, what we should add. If anything, let's do it together. Let's have fun with it. And make sure we save you guys some money in the process, because that's the big thing, is to save you some money, get you breakdowns less, get you back on the road, making that money. All right, guys, so again, building out a bag to save you guys money. So as you see, I've been building this out, been working with it now for 3 weeks on road calls, pretty much with you guys broken down on the side of the road. This is helping me determine what to put in the bag. I want you guys to get pumped, get excited. Let's do this together. Let's make a bag, save you some money, get you back on the road. And if you guys like what you saw today, don't forget to pound that like button. If you have any questions, comments, or anything you want to add to this lovely bag, leave me a comment at the bottom. And if you guys want to see what's coming next and other bag or tools or repairs, you guys got to subscribe. See you guys at the next video.